Many problems create a combination of more than one type of shock. For example, sepsis often causes a distributive shock, but also creates hypovolemia through insensible losses and may result in a septic cardiomyopathy decreasing cardiac function. Patients often require volume repletion in addition to antibiotic therapy and source control, and may require vasoconstrictors to support their perfusion. Anaphylaxis, by definition, affects multiple organ systems. In addition to a vasodilatory shock, cardiogenic shock may occur. Bronchial constriction may lead to hypoxemia and decreased oxygen delivery to the heart. It may also cause increased pulmonary vascular resistance and right heart dysfunction. And gastrointestinal upset and capillary leaking may cause volume depletion. Elimination of the antigen when possible and epinephrine are the mainstays of treatment, which work on several of these pathways. Additional adjunctive therapies like antihistamines and steroids may help with symptoms and prevent relapse in some cases. Shock associated with trauma often has multiple components. Hemorrhage may lead to hypovolemic shock, but the patient may also have concomitant injuries like a tension pneumothorax or hematoma, which can lead to obstructive shock. A neurologic injury may cause a neurogenic component as well. Interruption of the sympathetic ganglia may cause vasodilation and bradycardia with inability to compensate cardiac output. In addition to volume replacement, interventions to relieve obstruction or correct causes of bleeding may be necessary. Patients with neurologic injury may require vasopressors or chronotropes, usually after other causes have been addressed.
So I hope you liked this video. Absolutely make sure to check out the course this video was taken from and to register for a free trial account which will give you access to selected chapters of the course. If you want to learn how Med Mastery can help you become a great clinician, make sure to watch the About Med Mastery video. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.